Hello everyone and welcome back to Mathematical Mindset. So right here we have this nice square root Olympiad problem that says the square root of x into the square root of x is equals to 5 into the square root of 5, and we are to find the value of x. So guys, the first thing we want to simply do right here is to square both sides. So squaring both sides, we have this to be the root of x into the root of x is equals to 5 into the square root of 5. So we have to simply square both sides right here. So this is going to cancel out this. So we have x multiply the square root of x is equals to 5 raised to the power of 2 multiply the root of 5 or raised to the power of 2. So we have x multiply the square root of x is equals to 5 square is 25 multiply. This is going to cancel out this. We have this to be 5. So x multiply the square root of x is equals to 25 multiply 5 is going to give us 125. So right here, I want to simply square both sides one more time. So squaring both sides, we have the left hand side to be x raised to the power of 2 multiply the square root of x raised to the power of 2 is equals to 125 or square. So we have x square multiply. This is going to cancel out this. We have this to be x is equals to 125 or square. But 125 can be expressed as 5 raised to the power of 3. So we have this to be x squared multiply x will give us x raised to the power of 3. And this is equals to, in place of 125, we want to put 5 raised to the power of 3 or square. But from the property of exponents, we know that if we have a raised to the power of m or raised to the power of n, this can be written as a raised to the power of n or raised to the power of m, right? So from here we have x raised to the power of 3 is equal to 5 square or raised to the power of 3. So right here we have x raised to the power of 3 is equals to 5 square is 25 or raised to the power of 3. So we want to simply rearrange and set the equation to 0. So we have x raised to the power of 3 minus 25 raised to the power of 3, and this is equals to 0. So we want to apply the difference of cubic formula that says a raised to the power of 3 minus b raised to the power of 3. This is equal to a minus b multiply a square plus ab plus b square. Alright, so from here we have that a is equals to x and b is equals to 25. So applying this, we have this to be x minus 25 multiply x square plus x multiply 25 plus b square, which is 25 square, and this is equals to 0. And we have x minus 25 multiply x square plus x multiply 25 is 25x plus 25 square is 625, and this is equals to 0. So from here we have that x minus 25 is equals to 0, and x square plus 25x plus 625 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 0 plus 25 and x is equals to 25. So we have the first value of x right here. So to solve for this, we want to simply solve using the quadratic formula. So applying the quadratic formula to this, and we have the quadratic formula to be given as x is equals to minus b plus minus the square root of b square minus 4ac divided to a, where a is equals to 1, b is equals to 25, and c is equals to 625. So we have that x is equals to minus 25 plus minus the square root of b square, which is 25 square, minus 4 multiply a, which is 1, multiply c, which is 625, divide 2 multiply a, which is 1. So from here we have that x is equals to minus 25 plus minus the square root of 25 square is given as 625 minus 4 multiply 1 multiply 625 will give us 2500, divide 2 multiply 1 is 2. So we have that x is equals to minus 25 plus minus the square root of 625 minus 2500 will give us negative 1875, divide 2, and x is equals to minus 25 plus minus the square root of 1825 can be expressed as 3 multiply 625 multiply negative 1 over 2. But we know that if we have the root of a multiply b, this is the same thing as the root of a multiply the root of b. So we have that x is equals to minus 25 plus minus the square root of 3 multiply the square root of 625 multiply the square root of negative 1 divide 2. But the root of negative 1 is equals to I, so we have that x is equals to minus 25 plus minus the root of 3 multiply the square root of 625 is 25. The root of negative 1 is I, divide 2. So x is equals to minus 25 plus minus 25 into the square root of 3I over 2. We are going to have x is equals to, if you factor out 25, we have this to be minus 1 plus minus the root of 3I over 2. So from here we have that x is equals to 25 into negative 1 plus the root of 3I divide 2, or we have 25 into the root of minus 1 minus the root of 3I over 2. So we have this right here. So we have been able to find the value of x, and we have the first value of x to be x equals to 25. So we are going to say hence we have that x is equals to 25. We have that x is equals to 25 into negative 1 plus minus the root of 3I over 2. So these are the values of x. So guys, we have been able to solve this right here. So with this guys, I'm going to see you in the next video. And if you are not yet subscribed to Mathematical Mindset, please do hit the subscribe